this is Elisha and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually harmonize the currencies that is in your AdSense account with that which is on your YouTube channel. So right now I'm logged into my AdSense account. So they're saying your earnings paid monthly if the total is at least 70 euros. Your payout threshold. So I've actually filled the payout threshold here, and that's 110 for this month. And there's this other detail that your last payment was issued on November 26th, 2024, 72 euros. So you see that I'm earning in euros in my AdSense account. So now let's head on to YouTube so that I see how you have to make sure that even on YouTube you are earning in euros. So let's take a ride. All right, so now we are back on YouTube and we need to head on to the section where we need to set up the currency to be euros. And when you happen to log on, what you need to do is you scroll down in this left section here, then you click settings. Okay, so when this pops up, as you can see, they're showing that default units are USD, dollar, and then you click there, the other currencies will actually pop up. So you look for the currency that will match the one which is in your AdSense account. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for euro. Where are you? BDC euro is here. So I'm gonna click there and then save. Boom. And you see euros are now showing. That's how we do it. So that's how we do it. So you go ahead and do the same.